This is just a quick look at my grow light that I just put in my greenhouse. It's got 5 heads, and they are flexible, so as you see, I got them shining all over. That's my Meyers lemon tree. That's my Meyers lemon tree right there also, and that's my Meyers lemon tree. This right here is my Honeycrisp apple tree, which I will be removing out of this greenhouse shortly. This is my Barbados cherry tree right here, and this is my blackberry tree right here. This is my pomegranate tree. This right here is my Rio Red grapefruit tree. And those are wildflowers that attract the pollinators. Thank y'all for watching.